Well, I think there are a number of reasons why research in children is so crucial. First and foremost, some things only happen in children. Children are developing, their brains are developing, their bodies are developing. And so we're administering perhaps medications or treatments to those developing organs and brains. We don't know the long-term outcomes or the long-term impact of some of those drugs and treatments.
Children are not little adults. They're really unique. And so we really need to understand, what happens if I give this medication to this child.
70% or so of medications that we prescribe in children have never been tested in them.
We want to have medications that are effective for children, so it's important that we test them in children. And we have found over the last 20 years that many medications that have been tested in children have been shown to have different side effects than adults, things that have surprised us. Perhaps children need more medication than an adult might need for their body weight. Perhaps they need less.
And you can't just say, okay, if this works for an adult, let me just cut it in half and give it to a kid. That's not satisfactory.
And so these are some of the reasons why it's so important to test interventions, treatments, drugs in children. Well, I think safety is a big concern when children are enrolled in clinical trials. And I think that researchers are as concerned about safety as parents are.
You can ask them, has this drug been tested before in humans? How often has it been tested? How many humans have got it? Have children received it before? How many children have received it before? And a lot of times the only way you can find out is by asking and getting that information with respect to a specific study.
Almost at no other time in a child's life do they have as many safeguards brought to bear on their well-being, actually, as when they're in a clinical trial.
To continue to do research in children says to us as a society that our children are important and that we value them and that we value their health.
There's the knowledge that you're participating in something that's bigger than you or your child and has the potential to, even if not benefit your child or even the other children in the study, to provide some fundamental knowledge about what might be better in the future.